Hello creatives! In this video, I'll share with you 10 types of income millionaires have to inspire you. I'll also reveal to you how the rich make money and how you can start your journey to their league. We know that millionaires are ambitious, risk takers, goal setters, and time managers. But is that the only thing that makes them rich? Of course not. Self-made millionaires have multiple income streams. Unlike the average person who relies on a 9-to-5 paycheck job, millionaires earn passively from 4 or more passive income sources. That means if one income source shuts down, they'll still be rich. So, if you are looking to become a millionaire, you've got to diversify your income generators like them, and I'm gonna help you. With studies showing that 88% of current millionaires are self-made, anyone can be a millionaire, including you. I'll discuss 10 types of incomes that millionaires relish. Additionally, I'll explain action steps you can take to make money like they do. Hopefully, my video will inspire seeds of richness in you and you'll start thinking and acting like a millionaire. But before then, if you are new here, consider subscribing to this channel and continue receiving great videos like this one. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get informed every time I publish a life-changing video. Let's start. Number 1. Earned income. Earned income is when you trade your time for money, what you know as a salary. Everyone with a job earns earned income, and that includes millionaires. The difference is they don't rely on this income like most people do, as they have other sources. But how can earned income make you a millionaire? The truth is that earned income alone cannot make you a millionaire. You have to get money from other sources too. What you can do is trade less hours for more money. For example, if your current job pays $15 an hour, you look for a different job that pays more. That means that you'll be working for fewer hours but making more money. As T. Harv Eker advises, your income can grow only to the extent that you do. Invest in your skills to be competitive in the market to get paid more. After that, use your free time to start a side business that brings in profit income, which I have covered at number 2. Or invest little by little in stocks to earn dividends and capital gain that I have covered at number 3. Action steps. Don't just settle on earned income. Use what you get to create other income streams through investing and starting a business. Number 2. Profit income. Profit income is the money you receive from a business. For example, you can make profit income by buying goods and selling them at a higher price. So many millionaires make their money this way. Sometimes you don't need a lot of investment. With just $100, you can start an e-commerce store and then partner with different suppliers who can sell to you at wholesale price. You can even start small with a grocery store or a fast food joint. Once you generate some income, reinvest a part of it to grow your business. Action steps. Regardless of what you choose to buy and sell, you should always start small. Once the money starts coming in, reinvest it to grow your business. Number 3. Capital gain. Capital gain, sometimes referred to as portfolio income, refers to earning from appreciating investments. The investments can be stocks, bonds, or individual properties such as cars, jewelry, and real estate properties. These investments are likely to multiply in value over time. So, if there is an income stream that you have to observe keenly, it has to be capital gain. For example, if you buy 1,000 stock shares at $10 and then come to sell them at $100 per share after 10 years, you'll make $90,000 as capital gain. So, suppose you invest the same amount in 5 or more stock companies and you also earn from other streams. Then you'll be on your way to becoming a millionaire. A guy like Warren Buffett, who is presently the 4th richest guy globally, is a top beneficiary of capital gain income. Action steps. Do your homework to find stocks, real estate, or any other investments you can buy now cheaply and sell at a higher value later. Number 4. Dividend Income. Dividend income refers to earnings from owning a company shares. These ownerships make you a shareholder and you'll be eligible to a share of that company's income. Given that you don't have to trade active hours, it's a passive income source. While some companies pay dividends annually, most pay 4 times a year and others twice a year. So how can dividend stocks make you a millionaire? If you invest wisely in solid companies whose profitability increases annually, you'll definitely receive more dividends for your shares. For example, if you own 1,000 shares in a stock company that pays $4 per share in annual dividends, you'll receive $4,000 at the end of the year. What should you do? Consider dividend stocks which enjoy rising rates and those experiencing steady growth. These should be companies with strong fundamentals that are future-proof. Action steps: invest in a portfolio of dividend stocks that pay the most yield and are consistent. Number 5. Rental income. Rental income refers to passive income from renting out a car, a house, a room, or any other asset. Remember, your vehicle and home are only assets when they bring in money, but if you've bought them for personal use, they are liabilities since they take money out of your pocket. Most millionaires make money from building homes and commercial properties that they rent out. They ensure they target a prime location to earn passive income every month. Rental income is an excellent investment for the future for someone who wants a comfortable retirement. Action steps: if you don't have the money to buy a rental house, start by renting out your car on a ride-sharing service like Uber or Lyft. That allows you to receive some passive income every month. If you don't have a car or a house, then start renting out your spare room. Your long-term goal should be to get enough capital to build rental properties that bring in more passive income. Number 6. REITs Income. Some rich people don't like to own real estate properties directly or to deal with stubborn tenants. So, they prefer to buy shares in companies that own and run income generation real estate properties. These companies are the ones we call real estate investment trusts, or simply REITs. REITs allow you to invest in commercial, home, and healthcare real estate, and you get to receive passive income. One billionaire who is doing great in the REIT sector is Equity Group Investments founder Sam Zell. According to Forbes, Zell is worth $4.7 billion, and it's mainly due to REITs. REITs generally have a 90% income payout, which means you are guaranteed dividends provided that the real estate property shares appreciate. Mind you, you don't need so much money. A platform like Fundrise lets you invest with just $500 and you can receive up to 9% dividends. Action steps: pick a platform like Fundrise to invest in REITs with minimal investment and start generating passive income as a real estate investor. Number 7. Advertising income. I'm sure you've seen people display their ads on blogs, websites, or social media channels. Well, these ads earn them advertising income. With good traffic, you can generate revenue from advertising. That means people with substantial social media followings and a long list of newsletter subscribers have the upper hand. But still, there are no guarantees that your audience will click on some of the ads. Thus, the content has to convince them to do so. Action steps: find a top-selling product or company to advertise on your blog, website, or social media channel. While you're at it, ensure you create relevant content for your audience to encourage them to click on the ads. Number 8. Royalty income. If you have an original creation, be it a product or business idea, you can give people a temporary right of usage and they have to pay a fee. What you receive is what we call royalty income. Examples of products that can earn you royalty income are books, songs, photographs, or art. These creations are collectively known as intellectual property, and they are a fantastic way to become a millionaire. A guy like Bill Gates is a primary beneficiary of royalty income. Interestingly, you don't need money to get money from intellectual property. So, anyone who is creative can make money that way. Action steps. Be innovative and come up with an original product that people can pay to use. As Napoleon Hill once said, all achievements, all earned riches, have their beginning in an idea. Number 9. Residual income. Residual income is money you receive from the completion of an income-generating work. That work could be a published book where you get royalties, buying a rental property for rental or real estate income, buying stocks for dividend income, or income from the ongoing sale of consumer goods such as digital art and music. In that case, you continue receiving money from your creation as long as your product continues making money. Most millionaires who earn from residual income have multiple sources of income within the line. Doing so helps them to bring in more money, and it prevents you from over-relying on one income source. As Brian Tracy would say, today, the greatest single source of wealth is between your ears. So, make use of your God-given creativity. Action steps. Find a way to create residual income to propel you into the millionaire category. Number 10. Interest income. Interest income refers to the money that you receive from lending to people or organizations. The money builds over time and it's passive. An example of interest income is when you lend to the government in a form of a treasury bill or a bond. Other sources of income include P2P lending, certificates of deposits, real estate crowdfunding, and interests from selling a house. Doing so allows you to receive some interests at specific times. For example, treasury bills have earned lenders 0.09 to 0.17% interest in recent years. So, if you choose to take that route, then that's how much you can expect in return. Action steps. Shop around for a source of interest income that pays the best rates and has a low risk. You can also spread the financial risks by investing in multiple sources. In conclusion, now you know how millionaires make their money. So if you want to become like them, those are the routes to follow. You can always start small, as no one gets rich at a blazing speed. It takes time and lots of sacrifice and investments. I know this video was exciting and you loved it. Check out these other exciting videos and other life-changing resources in the description below. If you haven't subscribed yet, you're definitely missing out. See you in the next one.